a ticket, then they're gonna deport your ass.
Yo, I already got a ticket. Seriously.
Say deport your ass.
Yo.
You know what deport your ass means?
Yo.
Alright.
Seriously. Yo, seriously.
You're too grown for that shit. I don't talk to them.
No, seriously.
No, listen.
I already got a
That's what I'm trying to say. You're not supposed to say shit. That's what I'm trying to say. Just calm down, bro. We're not talking to you.
No, you told me like that they told me like ass, right? Why don't you take shit?
Will be the next stop.
Alright.
23rd Street will be the next stop.
Bro. We're not talking to you, okay? Live in Brooklyn too. Alright. It's not about, like whatever. What the fuck?
No, bro, don't be mad, okay? Don't be like,
I understand. Sit right here. Don't touch me.
This is 23rd Street. 14th Street will be where will be the
shit.
Yo, he's reading something. Let him read.
I want your high five.
No, I'm doing something.
No, I'm your.
Can you please?
Oh my god.
I'm doing something.
the Brooklyn Bound. Brooklyn Bound.
Yo, seriously. Yo, this man. I already got like ticket. I don't give that shit.
Yo.
Okay? Police.
Yo.
Seriously, man. Yo. I already been in jail like 3 months. 3 months I'm in jail. I don't give this shit in jail, okay? Whoever talks shit to me, I'll shit that right here, damn. Seriously. I will knock right here. Right here.
Yeah, that's
First
it.
round. Seriously.
That's it. Let's do. Okay. Sit down.